Alright, talking about hubcaps today. These are for my 91 LTD Crown Vic. The ones that came on it were this style. I've got 5 of them now. I don't know which ones are original. This one might be original. It's the only one where I can see the date code. That's about when it was built. But I have a problem with these. They make a bunch of noise going down the road. It sounds like you've thrown a bunch of rocks and gravel inside, and I don't know, because I don't know if they're falling apart. They just make noise or what. Yes, I don't know what to do with them. How do you stop them from making noise? This one you can see, it's got it has the original emblem, but a lot of the original ones faded, so I ended up using some stickers. If anyone's curious, been on there for a couple years. Seemed to work all right. I don't have a size, but yeah, I don't know why they don't have the size on there. Let me measure them real quick. And they're just adhesive stickers. So for those who are interested, they're about 1 1/4 bouts by 3 1/4, maybe a little more. Good doggle. So they fit in there well, and they're not flat stickers. They got a little bit of a raise to them. So if anyone's having problems with these fading, because they like turn white or they bleach out. But I'm going with these. I got a set off eBay. Got 4 for 130, in decent shape. One of them had a pretty good dent in it. But let's see if these would be quieter. They definitely go on easier. They don't scratch up your rims. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. The rim has 2 knobs with kind of like hooks on them. The opposing ones are kind of flat, but these 2 are the ones that actually hold it. Just pop right in. I think they look okay. I like the other ones better, but I mean, it's kind of embarrassing as much noise as they make. So if I could find 4 brand new ones of these, not only would it cost a fortune, but that's almost impossible to do. But yeah, I don't know if anyone's had any problems with these making noise and how you would go about fixing it. I guess rims flex a little bit when they go down the road, and it causes the hubcaps to make noise. I don't know. Kind of an odd one. You can see where they're kind of separating. So, oh, and I have these from a later model. They fit on the back, but they won't fit over the front hubs. So those are worth a pretty penny too. So I'd probably sell them. Oh, and I polished them up with this stuff. It always works pretty good. I cleaned it, gave it a good shine, and I also just painted up my rims with some semi-gloss. I think that gave it a good finish. I just thin it out, maybe at 1:5 or 1:4 ratio with paint thinner, and then I just use a cheap brush and 2 coats. That way I don't have to mask everything off and get overspray everywhere. I think they turned out pretty good. You can still see still some scratches from the old hubcaps, but they go really neat. Those old hubcaps really really dig into the rims. But yeah, definitely can't tell from a few feet. So, all right. Hubcaps.